Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back. Now for this week's video, I thought I would do something a little bit different and show you guys my curly hair routine. Now, I am not by any means a professional or a master at doing curly hair, but I thought this would be a really fun idea to share with you guys what I have recently been doing to get my hair like this. So if you are at all curious about what my little routine is looking like right now, then keep watching. Okay, so I would usually do this routine after having a shower, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna wet my hair. I got this continuous spray bottle off of Amazon. Truly, it has changed my life. I am gonna brush my hair and then I'm gonna start just like spraying. And you want your hair to be like soaking wet, which is why I would usually do this after showering. Now that my hair is literally dripping wet, I have this like curl styling brush that I'm just gonna brush my hair out, and then I'm also gonna add in a leave-in conditioner. I literally have like 3, but I think I'm gonna use this one. It's the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna take like that much and then just kind of run it through my hair. Now that the leave-in is in my hair, I'm also just gonna brush through it as well, just to make sure it evenly distributes through my hair. Now is the curl cream. This is the one I use. It's the Way curl cream. I really like this curl cream. I haven't really tried many other ones, but I know Way is a really good brand, so I've been using this one and it seems to do its job. I use like about this much on either side of my hair, so I kind of just like rake it through like that. Put it in my roots as well, and I just kind of do that on like both sides. So now all of that is evenly coated through my hair. We're not gonna scrunch just yet. I'm actually gonna add in some mousse first. So this is the mousse I'm gonna use. It's the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk mousse. This is the first time I'm using this mousse. I usually use the Shea Moisture mousse, but I am running out of this one, so I got this one to try it out. I have seen like so many people use this in their routines, so I want to see what the hype's all about. Definitely a lot came out, so this will probably be enough for my whole head because I really don't have that much hair. I'll put it all over my head, but I really like to focus it on my roots, and then I'll just kind of like zhuzh it, if that makes sense. Oh my god, it sounds like pop rocks. Just for like extra volume, and even though I feel like I never really get volume, I like to do this as just like a precaution. Now that that is in, we are going to add our gel. I would usually use the Shea Moisture Gel again, but she's running out, and I feel like I'm gonna more want to use this for slick backs than like my actual routine, just because I feel like it doesn't hold the greatest, because you need to have a good gel cast, right? And I feel like I've never really had one of those, so I got the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk gel. Got 2 Not Your Mother's products up in here. I'm very curious. I took like this much in my hand, and I'm just gonna flip my entire head over and scrunch. And every video that I see, you always want to hear that sound, because that's how you know that your products are locking in. And also, when I flip my hair over like this, I try not to flip it back because I don't want to like mess up the curls in any way. So now that I've done the forward flip, I'm going to do just like the sides. I like to use a lot of gel. I feel like it holds my hair the most, especially for that gel cast. Also, I don't have a technique for scrunching. I kind of just grab my hair. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but that's just what I've been doing, and I feel like I get pretty decent results. Okay, divas, now that my hair is locked in, my hands are cramping, and like, hello, it's time to diffuse. No, but like the state of my bathroom right now, doing your hair is not for the weak, okay? This is if you really want to put that effort and work in, because goddamn, like towel, gel fell, mousse, earrings, clip, girl, what is going on? Now, before we diffuse, I'm of course going to add in my lovely heat protectant spray. This is the Bondi Boost. It's from Sephora. Just gonna spray that all over my hair because we don't want no heat damage. This is what I have. It's just like the Conair blow dryer, but then it has this little thing on the end that diffuses it. These are my little settings that I have. I like to keep it on like the highest airflow, but then like the lowest, like the mid to lowest heat, because if you have it too high and your like scalp is burning, that's how you know you have it too high. That's what causes your hair to be really frizzy. So we don't want that here. So those are my little heat settings. And then I'm basically gonna have my hair flipped over the entire time and then just diffuse it into sections like this.
Okay, so I thought I would do a little voiceover for this section so you guys can like really understand what I'm doing during this diffusing process. But I'm basically just taking sections of my hair and kind of like scrunching it with the diffuser. Like that's probably the best way that I could describe it, and just kind of going all throughout my hair. Also, while I'm diffusing other parts of my hair, I like to cup the other parts that aren't being diffused so that way the curls don't fall, and I've noticed this really makes a difference. This is a very long process, so definitely be patient, but I promise the results are definitely worth it.
So safe to say that this gel is a lot better than the one that I was using. This is probably the crunchiest my hair has ever felt. When I diffuse my hair also, I prefer to semi-dry it, so it's still like a little wet, but it's not like damp, if that makes sense. I'll leave it to dry like the rest overnight. This did take like 20 minutes, but you know, also the shrinkage is insane. This might be my best one yet. I think I truly just wasn't using like the correct gel, but now that this gel cast is fully formed, I am going to put my hair up in a bonnet. I've actually been doing a t-shirt bonnet because I do like the plopping method. I'm gonna do the t-shirt method tonight, and then tomorrow morning I will see you guys for the full reveal. Okay guys, it is the next day and here is how the hair turned out. I am absolutely obsessed with these results. When I woke up this morning, I just took my hair out of my little bonnet and then I scrunched all of my hair out with the Olaplex oil. It is literally like one of the best oils that I have found so far, and I think the Not Your Mother's gel is the best gel I've ever used because I've never gotten my curls to look this good. I was shocked when I took that little bonnet off, and I filmed a little TikTok of it, so definitely go follow me on TikTok if you want to see my like full genuine reaction. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was a little bit different, but I had a lot of fun sharing with you guys my little routine, and I will see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.